Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In this video I'll explain where can you fly on A1, A3 license. DJI Mavic 2 Pro weighs 907 grams, which means that in order to operate this drone you require license. With an A1, A3 certificate, where you can legally fly depends on weight and class rating of the drone you are operating. So, in case of this drone, you can fly it in isolated open areas, fields, beaches, mountains, countryside or farmland. You must fly in areas where you reasonably expect no uninvolved people to be present. You can't fly this drone in residential, commercial, industrial or recreational areas like city parks, neighborhoods or busy public beaches. You must maintain strict minimum horizontal distance of 150 meters away from residential, commercial, industrial or recreational zones. You cannot fly over any uninvolved individuals. If you want to fly Mavic 2 Pro in urban area or closer than 150 meters to buildings, an A1, A3 license is not enough. You would need to upgrade to A2 certificate, which requires an extra proctorate exam and practical self-training to fly it as legacy drone closer to urban environments. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.